In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your license agreement and usage. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this, then click on Organization. You should arrive at your organization settings page. At the bottom of the left-hand column is a section called License Agreement. Click on that to view your license agreement. A new tab should open showing your agreement with ScheduleSource to use TeamWork 5. If I scroll down, I can see all of the different clauses here. That's a quick way you can view your license agreement. To return to TeamWork 5, exit out of this tab. After viewing your license agreement, you want to view your usage. How many employees are using TeamWork 5 each day? To do that, click on Usage under License Agreement. Another new tab will open showing you your system usage. TeamWork 5 maintains a daily count of the number of active employees in the system. Standard monthly billing is based on the average daily count over the month, multiplied by an employee per month rate. That's why you want to see your monthly employee usage. TeamWork 5 will automatically display the current month's details, so to the right I can see March 2019's billing estimate. I can see the billing rate per employee per month, the average active employees, and the monthly fee estimate. If I scroll down, I can see which day of the month it is, the number of samples, the number of employees active that month, and the number of locations used that month. If I scroll back up, the left column is the monthly estimate. Here I can see the month, the number of days that TeamWork 5 was used in that month, the number of samples, the average employee per day, and the average location per day. If I want to view a previous month's details, I can click on that month. Let's say I want to view last January. I can click on January 2019, and the right-hand column will change to show the January details. That's how you can view your usage in TeamWork 5. To return to TeamWork 5, exit out of this new tab, and now I'm back at my TeamWork 5 account. That's how you can view your TeamWork 5 license agreement and usage. Check out the next video to learn how to adjust and view your enterprise configurations.